everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Angreni. I'm in the 12th grade from Setia High School, Tangerang City. On this occasion, I will explain one of the natural phenomena, namely the aurora. Aurora is a natural phenomenon that occurs when charged particles from the solar wind collide with gas molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. This collision causes gas molecules to ionize and release energy in the form of light that we see as auroras. This is an example image of an aurora. Also, aurora or polar light is a natural phenomenon that produces fiery rays of light that dance in the night sky in the ionosphere layer of a planet as the result of the interaction between the planet's magnetic field and the charged particle emitted by the sun or solar wind. So, this phenomenon can only be enjoyed in countries far from the equator. One of the countries where this natural phenomenon is good to see is New Zealand. Auroras never appear in Indonesia because of Indonesia's geographical location, which is on the equator and the Earth's magnetic field. On Earth, auroras occur in areas around the magnetic North Pole and South Pole. Auroras that occur in areas to the north are known as Aurora Borealis, which is named after the Roman goddess of the dawn, Aurora, and the Greek name for the north wind, Boreas. This is because in Europe, the aurora often looks reddish on the northern horizon as if the sun is about to rise from that direction. Aurora borealis always occurs between September and October, and March and April. The aurora phenomenon in the south, known as Aurora australis, has similar characteristics, but sometimes auroras appear on mountain peaks in tropical climates. As a colorful light that looks beautiful, the right time to witness the aurora borealis is when the sky looks dark at night until early morning. The estimated time to witness the aurora borealis is between 9 and 2 a.m. local time. Next, I will show a video about the aurora. So what causes auroras to appear in the sky? As previously explained, auroras are caused by interactions that take place in the Earth's magnetic field. In this case, it is located in the northern and southern regions. This interaction is known to involve particles emitted by the sun. Then, explained in the book Learning Science, Weather by Wu Mei Chen, the cause of the aurora is electrically charged particles emitted from sunlight. Then there is the solar wind, which collides with the atmospheric layer. This situation triggers a phenomenon due to the ionizations of molecules in this layer of the atmosphere. It is known that the Earth has a magnetic field. When a particle enters the Earth's magnetic field, the particle containing electricity is actually exposed to a magnetic force. This magnetic force makes some of these particles gather around the two poles on Earth. This condition triggers atmospheric molecules to create ionized air molecules. This process causes the appearance of light known as the aurora. Aurora is one of the most beautiful natural phenomena on Earth. The various color combinations of the aurora make it even more beautiful in the dark at night. It turns out that these colors are not formed automatically, but are influenced by the following factors. 1. Green color. This color is influenced by the release of hydrogen gas at an altitude of 100 to 150 kilometers from the Earth's surface. 2. Red color. This color is produced the same as green, namely the excitation of oxygen. This color is produced at an altitude of 200 to 250 kilometers from the Earth's surface. 3. Blue color. This color is caused by the release of nitrogen molecules. 4. Pink color. This color is influenced by hydrogen atoms, which are located lower in the atmosphere, so that the pink color is located below the green color. So, that's all for my video this time. I hope you all can understand what I say and can increase your knowledge. Thank you!